So today I've got the Emoko C93 dual motor 2000 Do e-bike, and honestly, this thing surprised me more than I expected. First impressions, it doesn't feel like a normal e-bike. It feels closer to a small electric motorcycle. The frame is heavy duty, the fat 20 by 4 tires look aggressive, and the dual 1000 double art motors definitely give it that power machine vibe. On the road, the acceleration is instant. Hit the throttle and it just pulls hard, especially in dual motor mode. Hills? No problem. It climbs like it's flat ground, even with a heavier rider. Top speed depends on battery charge, but you're looking around 45 to 50 kilometers when it's fully unlocked. That's fast enough to make you respect it. Now, the suspension is decent, not premium. It handles bumps okay, but don't expect a super smooth motorcycle ride. Brakes are hydraulic and they do their job, but I'd still ride cautiously at high speed. Range is solid for commuting, but if you ride full power all the time, expect it to drop quickly. So, is it worth your money? If you want raw power, off-road fun, and a budget e-moto feel, yes. But if you want refinement or light city commuting, maybe look elsewhere.